Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? I hope you'll be fine. Open your books, page 68. Today we will solve the related exercise of our poem number 6, London Summer Morning. Part A, Understanding the Poem. Answer the following questions. Students, listen me carefully. Consider your poem a comprehension poem for you. Read it carefully and answer these questions after reading your poem. For example, first question is, the poet names over 10 jobs. List at least 5 and explain what work each job involves. So students, the job of a chimney boy is to clean the chimneys of houses. The rattling of milk pails belong to the profession of milkman. The din of hackney coaches indicates the profession of the coachman. The job of trunk makers is to make trunks. The job of knife grinders is to sharpen the knives. The job of lamp lighters is to light the street lamps at nights. The old cloth man buys and sells old clothes, etc. In this way, you are to search the answers of all these questions and you are to write them also. In part A, we are introduced with two terms, alliteration and onomatopoeia. Alliteration, use of the same sound to begin a number of words that are close together. For example, of summer's morning in the sultry smoke. Poor poet are called alliterations. Onomatopoeia, words that sound like the things they are or that they describe. For example, squeaking cock cutters, tinkling bells, humming insects, etc. Such kind of words are called onomatopoeia. Question number 2. Answer these questions with reference to context. Text is, now pastry dainties catch the eye minute of humming insects while the limy snare waits to enthrall them. First question is, find 3 words that are linked to the idea of being captured or trapped. So these words are catch, snare, enthrall. Second question, who are the pastry dainties for? They are for customers, but at present they are attracting the attention of insects. Question third, what happens to the humming insects? They are caught by the limy snare. Part B, the old cloth man carries in tune monotonous while sidelong views the area of his traffic. Now the bag is sillily opened and the half-worn suit. Sometimes the pilfered tire of the base domestic spoiler for one half its worth sinks in the green abyss. Who is shouting and what is he shouting about? This is the first question. The old cloth man is shouting about his clothes. Second question is, the following words and phrases create an impression of the man: sidelong views, sillily, and pilfered tire. What impression do you get of his character? So answer is, we feel that the man is cunning and clever. He is going to cheat his buyers. Part C. The image of the suit sinking in the green abyss is an interesting way of showing us that the value of goods goes down once they have been bought. Discuss this passage and work together to come up with an explanation of what the poet is describing in simple English. Here are some helpful sentence openers that you can use if you want to. Students, these are the helpful sentence openers. The second-hand cloth seller. Some of the clothes he sells have been dash by dash. The clothes are sold for dash. Once something has been bought, its value. With the help of these sentences, you are to write a paragraph. Part B, working with words. Part B is related to spelling. Follow these instructions carefully. Read the list of the words below. This is the list of the words below which we are to read: mouth, dish, room, mug, beaker, glass, bowl, tumbler, carafe, flask, bottle, decanter, flagon, cup, bucket, spoon, ladle. These are the questions which are related to these words. Do you know what each word means? Students, you are to search the meanings of these words from your dictionary. That mouth, opening place; dish, bowl; room, a living place; or you can say a usable place, etc. What category of things do the words belong to? All these words belong to the category of noun. Part C. Can you think of one word for a class or group that all the words will fit into? Yes. This word can be container. Can you add any words to the list? Lot of words can be added to the list like saucer, bin, can, etc. Next question is make a table with 3 columns in your notebook. Students, you will draw 3 columns in your notebook respectively. First column will be related to the words. Which words? Copy the words in the list in exercise B1 above into the first column. You are to make the list of all these words. In second column, write the word which can take the suffix full. Check in the dictionary the correct spelling of the words. After that, we will add a suffix full with these words in the second column like mouthful, dishful, roomful, mugful, etc. In third column, write the plural form of the word plus fulls. We will write word and we will add a suffix fulls with it. Check in the dictionary the correct spellings of the words. Mouthfuls, dishfuls, roomfuls, mugfuls, etc. This is your activity which you are to do by yourselves. Next is related to suffixes. Students, you know that when we add an affix at the end of a word to make a new word, this added affix is known as a suffix. For example, add ish or y to the following. Fun, we will add ny, it will be funny. White, we will add ish, by cutting e, it will be whitish. Big, we will add gish, it will be biggish. In this way, you are to complete all these words. So students, solution of all these questions has been attached with your diary. Thank you.